Welcome to Vanguard Motor Sales. We specialize in buying and selling high quality muscle cars and classics. We get in new cars every day, so our inventory is constantly changing. If you'd like to go check out our website right now, we've got over 150 cars in stock. Hit this button up top. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit this button down at the bottom. Now let's go outside and check out what we've got for you today. We're outside here now with this 1965 beautiful Catalina Convertible. She's black, she's got a 4-speed in her, you're gonna love it. And if you wanna check out about 100 pictures of her, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside and see how nice it is. We're gonna get under the hood, the interior, the trunk. We will show you everything that you need to see so you can make a really good decision on your muscle car investment. So come on up, let's fire this Catalina up. Check the grill out on this baby. This thing is hot. Looks like we got brand new chrome on the bumper. The grill looks nice. The bezels on the headlights look great. Now the hood emblem looks like it's surviving and it's in a nice shape. The 2+2, now the car was born with a 421 in it. It has a 389 in it now. We've got 8 lug wheels on it. All the trim down the sides nice and straight. All the stainless on the windshield looks great. Door handles look like they're new. The doors operate nice. Good looking lips here. This is one of the first things I look at on every car. You look at that pinch weld right there where the door skin's folded over. This is beautiful. Good looking rubber here. Door jambs are nice and clean. Look down that great big long quarter panel. You guys that know cars know you better be a good body man if you're gonna paint one black, and when you got a big flat surface like this guy was awesome. This thing is straight as can be. Beautiful chrome back here. Of course, we gotta have a tiger in the tank. The trim back here also looks like it's surviving. It's in great shape, but it does look like the original piece. Trunk floor is beautiful. Nice and solid, nice and clean in here. The wheel wells look good. Paintwork on the bottom side of the deck lid's nice. The lips on the bottom side of the deck lid are also nice. The rubber is beautiful. Deck lid itself's nice and flat. Now look down the side of this thing. Take a look at the reflections. You can actually see color in the reflections. Beautiful. And again, the 8 lug wheels are so cool. Good looking lips here, good looking rubber here also. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spend the time and we buy each and every vehicle. We have over 160 cars here in stock and we own each and every one of them. Now, when they get back here to our shop, we run them through an inspection process that allows us to answer any question about any system on the car. So ask away. Tom will love to answer your questions. Let's check out the interior. Look at the door panel here. This looks original to the car and she's in beautiful shape. The armrest itself's in good shape. The carpet looks awesome. The steering wheel, the dash, 4-speed shifter with a console, bucket seats. I love it. Of course, we got the Tiger in the back seat. All the trim back here looks good. It looks like the convertible top itself, the mechanism was restored. Now we got one split in the side of the driver's seat. Other than that, the interior looks fantastic. Dash pad's in great shape. Now that you've had a quick look at the car, we'd like to give you a chance to go right to our website. You can click the button right up to your left here to do that. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the subscribe button and you can check out a bunch of hot rod videos. Now let's get back and check this car out. All right, let's take the Catalina for a ride. Love this car. It is getting so much attention. Everybody we've come up during this trip just loves it, and I do too. What's not cool, man? 65, long and black, top goes down, and you can shift gears in this baby. Now down here on the dash, the speedo's working, the tach's working, windshield wipers are not working. Radio is the stock AM radio, and it's kind of cool. The heater controls look just like the radio. Looks like the fuel gauge is working, my battery gauge, clock is not working. To go through the gears again, love it. It'll get it too. Tri-power under the hood, 389's making some power. Gearbox is working good, I love it. Power steering, brakes feel good. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts, so we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now, Tommy and Demo answer their phones 7 days a week, practically 24 hours a day. The one thing that they do is if they don't answer and you leave them a message, they will definitely call you back. So make sure if you don't get a hold of them, leave them a message. I love this car. It brings back memories. We had an old Merc. I think it was a 71 Merc. It had that big old black hood on it, just like that. I love looking at the reflections in the hood. You can see how nice the paintwork is. It looks like there's a big mirror up there. Just a blast. I love it. Of course, being long and black, you get a lot of attention. Everybody loves a big old black car, especially one that the roof goes down on. Now, our shop's right outside the Motor City in Plymouth, Michigan, and we invite you to come visit us. Check this car out, check out one of the other 160 cars we've got. But we have 2 locations now. So make sure you call Tom or Demo, tell them you're coming so we can make sure we have the car you want to see at our main location here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So now stick around because we're going to put this baby up in the lift and show you the most important part of the car, the undercarriage, and we'll also get under the hood, show you that 389 and the tri-power setup on it. All right, we're underneath this 65 Catalina now, and this baby does have a tiger in the tank. You know how I know? Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now, the gas tank's in good shape. We've got brand new exhaust system on it. The frame looks good. The drop downs look great. The trunk floor looks great. This thing is beautiful. Now, the rear end, it's a 10 bolt. The guys rolled it over. It's right around a 350 gear, and it is not posi. It looks like we've put new shocks on it. And the guys here at Vanguard will pull the brakes all the way apart. We're going to check the wheel cylinders, the installation of the shoes, the whole 9 yards. It looks like I've got new bushings here in my lower arms and my upper arms. The frame's got nice paint on it. The back side of the rocker looks good. Now, the wheel wells here where they go to the quarters, they look awesome. Floorboards are all original to the car, and these babies have got like a bed liner material. This is nice and hard, nice and clean, so you know dirt's not going to stick to it or anything. We got our X pipe here. This looks like it's all stainless steel also. We got our Muncie 4-speed trans. Looks like new fuel line and brake line going front to back. Paint up here looks great. Steering gear's in great shape. Now she does have drum brakes up front also. And again, the guys will pull them all apart. Make sure you've got good working brakes. We've got a brand new flex line here. The ball joints have been replaced. We've got new shocks up front also. Cross members in good shape. No rot here. These things were known for junk sitting in there, and we get a big old rotten hole there. Now the lower control arm bushings are new, The upper control arm bushings are new. It looks like the sway bar bushings are new. The body mount bushings are new. The core support here looks good. This cross member looks like it's brand spanking new. This car is absolutely beautiful underneath and on top. Now the bumper looks like it was re-chromed. We got beautiful chrome here, nice and clean on the back. I love this car. Let's check out the wheels and tires. One of the coolest features on this car are these 8-lug rims. Aren't those babies cool? I love them. They're in great shape. The trim rings look good. The rim itself is in awesome shape. We got 225 75 14s up front. The front fenders have snuck up in here and felt around. She's nice and flush back there. No evidence of any patchwork or anything there. The rockers are straight as an arrow. The pinch weld looks fantastic for being a 1965 model. This baby was well kept. Out back here, same good looking 8 lugs, good looking paint. Center cap here has got a couple dings in it. Trim ring looks good. We got 225 75 14s out back. Lower quarter is in awesome shape. And again, I pointed out those drop downs look great too. The back frame horns are nice and straight. Doesn't look like the car was ever in any kind of a major accident whatsoever. Wow, look under here. This baby looks awesome. Now this car was born with a 421. Unfortunately, it still doesn't have a 421 in it. That's a 389 in there. Now, it had a tri-power added to it. Now, we were told those are the heads off the original cars. Those are the 421 heads. The car's got power steering. Looks like it's got power brakes. They've put all the chalk marks on the firewall. The finish there looks good. Of course, we got the 3 Rochester carbs. They look awesome. The inner fenders look good. The radiator looks great. Everything's got nice paint on it. This baby is sweet underneath. I love this car. Just the surprises just don't stop. Pull into any car show, pop the hood of this baby, you're gonna be the hit of the show. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're going to give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.